if you're managing people and not moving up, there's a promotion trap somewhere. Let me say something that might sting just a bit. You're managing people, you're hitting targets, you are the one everybody relies on, but somehow you're still not moving up. No promotion, no executive seat, no real influence. So, what's going on here? You ask yourself. I did ask myself early in my career because in insurance, this is more common than you think. Today, I'm going to break down the promotion trap that keeps high performing managers stuck, and more importantly, how to break out of it. Here's the uncomfortable truth: you are promoted into management because you were excellent at execution, but you are being denied executive role because you are still operating as an executor. Please mark the two words: executor, executive. Let that sink in for a bit. Most leadership training in insurance tells you motivate your team, improve communication, drive performance. And yes, all this matters, but they don't get you promoted to executive because executives are not rewarded for managing people. They are rewarded for shaping the organization's direction. Let me introduce you to what I call the promotion trap in insurance because it happened to me. It has actually three levels. Level one is being a reliable manager. You deliver results constantly, you manage your team well, you are dependable. But here's the problem: you are seen too valuable to be promoted because who will they rely on? Who will deliver results? Level two is the invisible leader. You're being too good as a leader at work, in your work, but no one at the top is seeing you. You're not visible because you concentrate on your work so much to deliver results. The only ones who see you are within your department because you're working with them to deliver results. Level three is strategic disconnect. This is where most people get stuck. You're managing operations while executives are thinking about marketing positioning, the market share for the organization, risk strategy, how to deal with the risks strategically, growth portfolio, how to grow the organization's portfolio, regulatory shifts, compliance. And here's the gap. That gap is why you're not moving up. And in a moment, I am going to show you the exact shift that changes how executives see you almost instantly. That's what helped me when I shifted. But first, here's why most leadership training in insurance fails. It focuses on performance, not perception. Let me explain this. You can deliver, hit every target, lead a very strong team, always deliver results quarter after quarter, but still not seen as an executive material. Ask yourself why. It is because promotion at the level of executive are not based on effort. They are based on how people interpret your value. Think about this. A top salesperson closes deals, a manager leads a team, but an executive influences decisions before they are made. Can you see the difference? It's like in the Avengers. Not everyone is an Iron Man building and executing. Someone, Nick Fury doesn't fight the battles. He decides which battles matter. If you're always in the execution mode, you never enter the strategy room. So what actually changes everything? The shift from operational leadership to strategic visibility. This is a real shift. And this is where most insurance professionals miss it. Let me break it down into something practical. Most managers report numbers. It is true. it is the target, it is the fee. Executives interpret what those numbers mean. You see the difference? Instead of saying production is down by 10%, executives will say production is down by 10% and based on current behavior trends. We are going to shift forward lower premium products which signals a pricing sensitivity risk in that area. Now, you're thinking like an executive. Then you expand your influence beyond your team, influence the whole organization, other department. If your impact stops at your department, your promotion will stop there too. Start asking, where are decisions being made? How can I contribute to those conversations? Solve problems that haven't been assigned to you. Executives don't wait for instructions. They participate. They step into risk gaps, market changes, strategic threats, market intelligence before anyone asks them to. Remember, I told you there's one shift that changes how executives see you. Here it is. You must become a business thinker, not just a team leader. The moment leadership sees that you are starting to seeing you as someone who understands the business model, the industry direction, and the long-term risks, you stop being promotable. You become inevitable. Promotions is inevitable. I've seen this happen over and over again. And like I keep saying, it happened to me. Brilliant managers stuck for years. I was stuck. Not because they weren't capable, but because they were operating one level too low. The moment they shifted how they spoke, what they focused on, and where they showed up, everything changed. The shift became real. So the reason why I created the RISE framework, it is because I was stuck. I didn't know how to do it, but now I want other people not to get stuck, not to take too long like I did. Because the truth is, you don't need more generic leadership training. You need repositioning, position yourself differently. You need influence decisions, influence direction. You need strategic visibility, be visible, not only in your department. You need executive readiness. Show that you are ready because you're looking at the whole organization, no longer your department. You're influencing decisions. You're multiplying leaders. That's what actually moves you forward. If you're watching this and saying, this is me, I'm managing, but I'm not moving up, then this is your moment. I'm currently working with ambitious insurance professionals who are ready to step into executive leadership with clarity, confidence, and credibility. If you feel that you want to unstuck yourself at this level, it's not a performance problem. It's a positioning problem. You're not overlooked. You're just as unseen at the level that matters. Fix that and everything changes.